Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For tonight's dinner we are having Italian tortellini soup. Okay, so I have 1 pound of Italian sausage that I already browned and drained. Okay, so I'm going to add some minced garlic to it. I'm going to give that a stir. To this, I'm going to add in 2 boxes of chicken broth. This is the 32 ounce. I'm going to add 2 of those in here. One and a half cups of water and 1 can of diced tomatoes. I like the petite, but you can use the bigger ones if you want. You want the juice in there also. I'm going to give it a stir and we are going to bring it to a boil. I've made this soup a couple times. I've made it with ground turkey, but that didn't come out so great. It didn't have very much flavor. So then I started using the Italian sausage, and that added a lot of flavor to it. Okay, so we're going to let this boil. So our soup is coming to a boil. We are going to add in some parsley and some basil. Give it a stir. Okay, so I'm using this 3 cheese tortellini. It is a 20 ounce package. I'm going to drop these in here easily because otherwise it will splash you and burn. Probably can't see because that's in the way. We're going to give this a stir and we're going to let it cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. It really doesn't take the tortellinis that long to cook. So I have a bag of spinach. So I'm just going to take some of the spinach and tear it into smaller pieces and add that to our soup. I don't like the long stems, so I'm going to tear those off. You can add as much spinach as you would like. And so you're just going to let that spinach wilt down for a couple of minutes. So here is our bowl of soup. Going to sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. And we are ready to eat.